What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Timon, and today we're going to be installing the Caruse Design Aero Flap for your 10th gen Civic Si Coupe. So let's get to unboxing. Oh, it's like an early Christmas present. Because it is. Remember my last video how I said happy wife, happy life? Well, she got me this for an early Christmas present, so treat your ladies right, guys. I'm telling you. Man, so this is how it looks. I'll take it out, the little wrapping and whatever, and show you guys. Wow, it's packaged so nice. We crazy for installing this in the winter time. Look at the snow on the floor. There we go. Jesus. All right, so this is how the Aero Flap looks. Caruse Design. Bam! I like how it's like transparent. You can see, like you see, it's not like a dark gloss finish color. Looks pretty nice though. All right. So before we install this, we're gonna use alcohol wipes and clean the wing off a little bit. 75% alcohol wipe. Shout out to the fam Rigon over there for bringing these to me. All in the prep work, all in the prep work. Let's see if it'll stick good. I just cleaned the car too, so it's probably more than enough now. Since the Aero Flap does basically like go under the wing to help it, I'll clean the bottom a little bit too. And there. So now what you want to do is pull off about 1 inch or 2 of the 3M tape. All right, so basically now, after about 20 years, you just want to line it up.
Oh yeah, it's definitely not in the middle. Actually, yeah, it needs to go right a little more.
All right. Oh, with the Honda badge?
Yeah.
So how about that?
So I'm assuming this part is supposed to match to right here, I guess.
Slide the flap in. Each corner of the edge are lined up. Right,
Oh, I think I understand. So you basically
lift it up first.
Yeah, lift it up, like bring it back out, slide the flap in. It has to be like that, and then it said like lift this part up, which helps it go in.
Oh, like this? All right, guys. So after about the 3 of us total to line this up, we got it in place. After you get it in place, make sure the 3M tape is sticking out so you can pull it. And as you pull it, you'll push against it so it'll stick better. And it's freezing out here, by the way. It's like what, 22 degrees?
About 18.
About 18?
Earlier it was like 18.
Okay. My little brother just stone finessing. Oh, so this is the transparency I was talking about. The trees. Pretty dope. Caruse Design.
Caruse Design.
Oh god. Look at all of us sniffling. That's all gonna be in the video. We all caught the rope.
Oh, we all called it out.
Oh, I almost said it. I would've got monetized. Or demonetized. I'm just kidding. I don't even get paid yet. But it's okay though. This is fun. I can look back at it and be like, look at us. Stupid. Stupid. Look at us.
When you blow your engine, like,
Yep.
Look at
That's a mashy ass hands, man. You got some lotion, bro?
Yeah, I know. Don't judge me. Hey.
I won't judge you.
You're embarrassing me in front of my subscribers, bro. I be saying that at work. I'm like, you're embarrassing me in front of my friends. Stop. All right, guys. Anyways, that's the whole installation video. You just basically gotta line it up. Make sure the 3M tape is out so where you can pull it out. And this is how the Caruse Design Aero Flap looks. It gives the back end a more aggressive styling and look. which I really like, for only $199. Cue the cinematics. If you guys want to see updated pictures of how my car build is going, follow me on the gram. I put it down in the video real quick and also in the description. So let's get it. All right, guys. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment, and subscribe to your boy. Your boy's trying to reach 200 subscribers by the end of this year. Let's get it, boy. Peace.
Look at him. Oh shit.
Oh shit, we got the STI rolling in.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
So before we install this, holy shit. Jesus, I'm like sliding all over the place.
That's the way, sir. That's him, officer. That's it.
Clickbait title. Cops kicked us out.
The cops got me.
Cops pulled me over.
Cops pulled me over.
Ticket for existing. Yeah, I'll just pull this one.